Hindi na. Gidini sa hindi na. Pala. Okay lang kahit kung ano to? Hindi na magalala. Where are you now? Hindi na. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. Aman Cam 2.1. Hey Aman. Thank you for joining. How are you? Where are you from? Luzana, it's me. I'm subscribed you. Thank you, Luzano. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. How are you? How are you guys? Thank you for the 16 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat, guys. Thank you. Thank you sa nag-heart. Thank you for the heart. Who are you? Sing. What song I sing? What's the song I sing? Thank you for the thumbs. Di na makalaya. Random. Okay. Chandaman, do you have man? What? Do I have a man? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Salamat. Where are you from? Sumakit yung ulo ko. Ganda. Thank you for the 7 people in the house. Salamat. Thank you. Na. Di na makalaya. Thank you for the people. For the 6 people in the house. Salamat. I found the love for me. Darling, just step right in. Follow my beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. Cause when we just get to me feeling love. Thank you for the 3 people in the house. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. I love you, Be. Be. B-E? B. Francisco Airoso. Hi, hello. Taga saan ka, Francisco? Where are you from? Malamig. Malamig pero mainit pa. Malainit na malamig. Malamig, malamig na mainit. I love you. They say you love me. So why they could change my life forever. You got me always be together. Thank you, love. Thank you, honey. Where's my honey? Ay, lasing ako. Nalasing. Nalasing. Kagabi. Hi, discussing rank. Kumusta? Okay lang. Ikaw, kumusta ka? Kumusta ka din? Okay lang din ako. Wow, natural delicious. Delicious the what? Merry Christmas. Oh my god, Merry Christmas advance. Too early for Christmas. May asawa na ba? Wala pa. Pero mag-aasawa na ako. Lol. I love you. Ta-ta-ta-da. I'm here. You're here? You're here? Where? Where are you? I'm in love with your lips. Ah! Where's my lips? No, no, ano. No lipstick. No, I'm not red lips. Even the pink. I'm not. It's brown lips. Oh my god. No lipstick, naturally. Oh my god, where? You're not here. Sana ako na lang. Ikaw na lang ang alin. Sana ako na lang. Sana ako na lang. I'm in your room. What beautiful. Hello, Tamsak. Thank you, kaibigan. Thank you, kaibigan. Hi, Michael Tent. Thank you. Merci beaucoup, Michael. Merci beaucoup. Okay. Not saying anything. Disgusting master rank. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's you. Ilang taon ka na? I'm 40 years old. Francisco. 40 years old na po. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Disgusting Wrong. Master. Thank you for joining the live. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. I wish you drunk didn't still midnight. 40 and not delicious. Oh my god. Thank you for the 5 thumbs up. It's not a food. Oh, masarap pa. Hindi. Hindi masarap. Hindi siya. Parang nano ako. Another time. Marhay na banggi manay. Hi, amay paksil. Marhay na banggi man sa imo. Salamat sa pagpunta, Marhay. Ay, Marhay. Amoy paksi. Bakit amoy paksi? Your channel, my favorite kaibigan. Thank you, kaibigan. Thank you. Thank you, friend. Disgusting master. Thank you. Salamat. Masarap ka ba mahalin? Hindi. Hindi ako masarap mahalin. Kasi kung masarap ako mahalin, hindi sila alis. Walang alis. Mananatili sila. Hindi ako lulukuhin. Hindi ako sasaktan. Lahat, mawala silang kwenta. Charot. Walang anuman po. Thank you, Disgusting Master Rank. Someday, I love paksiw at maasim rin ako. Okay, okay. Thank you for the 5 people in the house. Thank you so much. And the 5 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Di ko alam kung tama ba ito. Isan ako upang maintin. Giving you 900 watch hour. Thank you. Please, give me 900 watch hour. Get disgusting master rank. Give me, please. Oh my god, it helped me a lot. Salamat. Mauran ba dyan? Hindi. Hindi siya maulan. Hindi maulan dito. Umuulan, umiinit. Tamang weather lang. Balance yung panahon dito. Thank you for the 3 people in the house. Thank you so much. Taga saan ka, be? Taga Philippines. Pilipinas. Obviously. Bicolana. Ayan. Thank you for the 2 people in the house and the thumbs up. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up dyan. Thank you. Kaway-kaway. Alam kong meron naman iba. Sa kilos may nadarama. Touch you. Hurt you. Can't imagine this. Palautot. Palautot. Hello. Palautot talaga. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you sa nanonood. Thank you po. Good evening, sis. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening sa lahat. Ikong masasayang laging ikaw ang mahal. Kasi in love ako sa'yo. Bakit? Bakit ka in love? Anyari? Talpak. Talpak? Parang nagtalpak. Tamsak pala. Tamsak. Salamat sa tamsak. Salamat sa tamsak. Thank you. Pain in my heart. Pain in my heart. Thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. Tomorrow, I love you. Tomorrow, I love you. Kala tuloy, nasugal ako. Ay, hindi ba? Palautot. Here I am alone in this empty room, and let my mind just fly to the end. Thought of you still linger in memory, wondering why my life is not that fair. I could still recall those memories of you, the joy and all laughter, the love being turned. Oh, I can't believe you're gone. Tararanan. Lalaki ka ba? Di ba sabay tayo? Oh my goodness.
Lalaki ako, bakit?
Looking to myself for reasons I can find. Flooding out my everything went wrong. Just falling down on driving. Oh my goodness. Lalaki ako. Sure. At may anak nagpatuloy nga tayo. Sabay tayo nagpatuloy. Kaya umayos ka. Can I see that dance once more time that I like? I forget the steps. Oh my goodness. You go. I don't want to remember the things we used to do. All the things that reminds me of you. Sana wag kang kumanta. Uulan na naman dito. Pwede nga. Lalaki ako. Gusto mo, pakan kita. Higher night. Okay lang. My night is good. Higher night. Have a good night. Golden. Talpak again. Thank you, Mangku. Sa lahat talaga ng papangalan mo. Yan po talaga. Kuko ha, kuko. Sis, may nanalo na. Sa talon tayo nagpatuli noon. Hindi tayo, nakalimutan mo, hindi tayo doon nagpatuli. Oh my God. Nakalimutan mo na eh. Tomboy ka yata, kaya nakalimutan mo. Scammer ka ba? Hindi lang ako scammer. It's me, Mandaloyods. Sheryl Aldabag, Mandaloyod. Saan ka po pinanganak? Parang, nakulangan. Kulang sa atensyon. Napadpad ko dito, Mandaloyods. For what? One of my friends. Lalaki ka, diba? Sabay tayo nagpatuli. Doon pa lang sa accusing me na lalaki ako, you don't know me. Because hindi mo alam may anak ako. So, saan yung dumaan? Sa puwet? Ha? Ha? Pa talaga isisira mo sa akin? Wala na bang alam? Wala na bang maisisira sa akin, Cause English. Sa tondo Manila ako, so what? Kung saan ka galing, palap kang galing, wala akong pake. Kaap din. Pati patuloy nyo, sinasabi nyo pa. Kaya, sino ba tong gagong to eh? Lagi siyang napapadpad mag-iiba ng pangalan, ng pangalan. Ay, naka. Sheryl, English, please. Okay. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Thank you. Good evening to all. Thank you. What's what Chick saying? Chick saying? She said, what totally in English? I don't know what is it. It's a very, I will, oh my God, it's really sensitive to tell her. Masakit daw yun, kaya ako ko sa umpisa lang yan masakit. Isang sakitan lang yan, guys. This is a English speaking channel. Okay. Sorry. Mangkoko, Mangkoko said, it is hard, that's why he can't do it. He can't, yeah. It is, it is, it, it is pain, that's why he can't do it. It uses to men also, it's a man, it's all the men. Chicks accusing me that I am a man. I think he look, I look like a gay or a man. She says that I am a man. Yes, I'm a man. So do what? Do do the men's? It's for men's only. It is for men's only. He think you lady boy. Yes, he think I'm a lady boy. Maybe I look like a lady boy. Wag mo na ipaliwanag sa kanya dahil pati siya di niya ranasan. What the fuck? Mangkuko. Ta- Kaya ka naman. Malay mo naman, naranasan niya yan. Bakit? Alam mo ba? Nakita mo ba? Yes, you think I'm a lady boy. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Maybe I look like a lady boy. So, I'm a lady boy. Ay, mali. No, I know you're not. Yes, of course. Sometimes I'm a lady boy, sometimes I'm a lady, no boy. Sometimes I'm lady, and sometimes I'm a boy. Here I am again in the center. Hi Cheryl, how are you? You missed my games. Oh, I won 300 pesos, which I donated to the 3 viewers. Another games night next month. Okay. Oh my god. Sorry, tita. Oh my god, I missed the games. Oh my, I thought 24. Miss my games night. I will join next month. I hope I will win. I forgot. I forgot the games. Thank you, Tita. In the center one. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Oh. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. One the vloggers I invited won the jackpot. Oh my god! Hopefully you will be the big winner next month. Yes, I will be the one. Me too, please. Totally is circumcision. Okay. Circumcision na tuloy. Oh my God. Oh my God. I wish I will win the jackpot. The jackpot winner. Thank you, Tita, for inviting me. Thank you. Maybe I need to notice. So I need to, to not forget the games. Here I am again, not to send you. I'm so afraid. I fall and scared. Listening to the wind of change. Color a summer night. Summer's passing by. Listen to that feeling. Too late. All this time, I know someday needs to find. Tito and I play the games, and any winnings we give to the viewers. You are gamblers. No, no, not gamblers. You are helping people. That's just the game for a purpose. All these tears, like a night, love disappears, but you're good for souvenirs. Memories up for this time. I know regrets. The sun still shines. Well, I know. I regret. I regret the no the games. Oh my God, I forgot the dates and the time also. Maybe the MBC. More kiss, even though it's empty. Close my eyes and make a wish, hoping you'll remember all this time. Oh, I'm high. Hello. Good to souvenirs. I learned nothing at all. Someday. Mm, Tamsak ulit. Thank you. Salamat sa nag-tamsak. Salamat. Ano? Innocence in your eyes. I thought with time you'd realize it's over, over. It's not the way we used to think. And somewhere's not to give. Sharing this relationship. It's over, over. You left the free, but sometimes even tear. I felt the rest of you, don't want the best of you. I don't care, it's not that fair. Cause I want it all or nothing at all. It's the bottom is now or never. Is it all? Or will I be just friends? This is how we did with a simple telephone call. You leave me here, nothing at all. Ano pala pangalan sin karigusan dun sa erosin na mainit na tubig? Bicolono na. Bicolono na eh. Arin. May karigusan din. May mainit din na karigusan. Ang aram ko, sa Jams Resort, and then sa Sambinon, ayan, taghanon man. Piluno na. Taghanon man din. Kaso mawala yun, ang aram ko. Pero mayon pa. Mayon pa. Sa Sambinon, sa Jams, pag lalo pa pag nakakato ka dito sa mga private kasiram sa tubig, mainit talaga. Dai mo mamamatian ng pinit. Dai talaga. Dai mo mamamatian ng pinit. Madumdumduma mo ang higpit ng yakap ng init ng pagmamahal niya. Baisit na yan. Looking as beautiful as always. Hi Ryan. Thank you Ryan. Where are you from Ryan? Thank you for the thumbs up guys. Thank you. Oh my god. I know when has been on. Oh, wow. Distance look is in your eyes. I know that time to realize. Good. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the 6 million in the house. Yay. Akala mo naman natutuwa ako. Hindi mo alam na iinis. Pilitin mong damdamin magbago. Ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap ko. Hanggang ngayon, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap. Bigyan ang pag-ibig ko. Tapat naman ang puso ko sa'yo. Salamat sa nagtamsak. Nagurutot ako. Oh my God. Hello. Hello. Hi, sir. Oh, Alan, Adam G. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Palautot ka rin pala. Oo, pala. Ay, nautot na nga ako. Orotot na ako. English. I'm farting. Farting. Fart. The bad air. The call of nature. It's the call of nature. Bad smell. Sorry, guys. Thank you for nagutot na. Gurutot naman ako. I'm sorry. Sorry. Aray. Sorry naman. Sorry. Ang lakas na. Abot sa luwas. Abot ano sa progress. Di man po namin amoy kaso lumabo kami. Lumabo camera no. Ang libong-libong nga Huh? Ayun lang. Nako. My God. Salamat sa 13 people in the house. Sa 13 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Alam. Sorry. Don't leave me. Thank you for the 6 people in the house. Salamat. Lumawadaw Oh, no. Alam na, marakdag na mata. Salamat. Disgusting. Hi, disgusting. You came back. Kala ko si Mount Bulusan narinig ko. Mount Bulusan. Mount Bulusan. Taga saan ka, Adam G? Alan? Taga din ka. Taga din ka din saan. Din ka din nakaista. Adam English. Adam, can you speak English? Thank you. From Bulusan. Okay. From Bulusan. Thank you, Adam, for joining my live here on YouTube. Thank you. Nantok na ako. Shout out from Team. From, ano, thank you. Team Harley. Oh my God, nantok na ako. I'm going to sleep na. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. See you later. See you tomorrow. Bye. Love you all. Wait lang.